Hey guys, what's up? Vanessa here. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video because I am going to be unboxing none other than the Jaclyn Hill Master Collection brush kit. I decided to pick this up because I wanted a complete brush collection and the brushes are hella cute. I am so excited to open up these brushes. But before we start, if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, so let's open her up. Just gonna take it out of the plastic packaging. And there she is, you guys. Isn't she beautiful? Oh, I love this case so much. I'm so excited to start using this. So off the bat, it says Morphe X Jaclyn Hill, the Master Collection. So you get 24 custom eye and face brushes plus the case. And in the back here, she just has a little message for her subscribers. She says, I created this brush collection with my subscribers in mind. Whether you're a natural girl, me, a working woman, a boy on the go, or a lady who owns the night, this collection meets all your needs. I took a lot of time perfecting every brush to create any look. Go on with your bad self and slay no matter the occasion. I love you. That is so sweet. And she also has the brush number and name in here in the back so you can know what each brush is called. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it up here and the case feels amazing. That's because it is a glitter packaging, but it's so smooth. Like this is great quality and it feels nice like in the hand. So let's just open this up. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, oh wow, whoa. Okay, so the brushes are all in here and they're all packaged up. I see 3 individual packets. So here they are all together. I love it. I love how this case opens. Like, I'm so excited just to have this on my vanity. So I'm gonna be opening the brushes one by one in order. So here there are 3 individual packets. And the first one, I believe, is her face collection. The second one is the Master Eye collection, I believe. The third one is all the extra brushes that you get for this collection. All right, so I'm gonna start with JH01, which is the powder brush. And they do come individually packaged. Let's see how I can open this. Also, you just plop it up. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh. Wow, okay. This brush feels unreal. It's so soft. Like, can you see that? Oh my gosh, like this feels like, I don't even know what it feels like. It's so soft. Just look at her. This brush, it's so beautiful. So this is her powder brush. I'm very impressed by the first one. This looks so high quality, like it feels so good on the hand. All right, so once again, this is a JH01 powder brush and this retails for $24. All right, so this is JH02. This is her right here. Sorry for my nails. So pretty. And this, I believe, is natural hair. Yeah, this brush is pretty soft, but it's not as soft as a first brush, which is fine. So yeah, the brush looks so amazing. This also retails for $24. All right, so now we're on to JH03, and this is her foundation brush, I believe. You just take it out of the packaging. Wow, oh wow, this looks so nice. I love it. Oh my gosh. I typically don't put on my foundation with a brush, but this is really intriguing to me. So this is JH03 Ride or Die Foundation Brush, and this retails for $16. All right, so now we're on to JH04, and this is her blush brush. It looks like this. So this is a JH04, her blush brush here. It's very nice, very high quality. It's actually very light on the hand. It doesn't feel heavy at all. And this brush, very soft, very soft. I feel like this brush is too thin. Does that make sense? Like, I feel like there aren't enough bristles in, like, I wish it was more dense, like the Sigma blush brush, which is my favorite blush brush. The blush brush also retails for $16. All right, so now we're on to JH05, and this is the contour brush. It looks like this here. Very, very beautiful. Very soft. Very soft. And I feel like this is the perfect size brush for contour. Just do like, oh, I'm so excited. It's also very light. Doesn't feel too heavy, which is good. And I believe this is a natural haired brush. The contour brush also retails for $16. All right, so now we're here on JH6, and this is called My Everything Brush. It looks like this here. JH06 Everything Brush. Also very soft. I don't know what I would use this for. Maybe to dust off powder, or maybe for a light flush of blush. This brush retails for $14. All right, so now we're on to JH07. It looks like this here. And this is her under eye powder brush. Whoa, very, very soft. Wow, I just feel like it's perfect for underneath the eye. I love it. Also very, very light to the touch. Very beautiful. I love the look of these brushes. I'm so excited to be using them on the daily. Very soft. Love this brush. This brush retails for $10. All right, so now we're on to JH08, and this is the Anything Creamy brush. Very, very cute. The size is adorable. Very soft. This also retails for $10. I have been wanting to try this next brush forever. This is the JH09, and it is called Glow Baby Glow Brush. And it looks like this right here. I feel like everyone uses this brush on YouTube for their highlight, and wow. Now I know why. This is such an awesome brush. So excited just to pop highlight on. I love it. I'm so excited. I'm so happy that I picked up this brush set, you guys. And funny story, I was waiting so long to order it. Like, I kept putting it off because the price for me was a little steep. And I've been watching a lot of review videos on these brushes, just trying to convince me to buy them. I don't know what it was that convinced me. Probably Jaclyn Hill herself convinced me to buy them. And I did calculations. I used a 10% off coupon, Jack Attack, and I decided it was a good deal, you know? So I'm so excited. Like, this brush retails for $9. All right, so the next brush is the JH10, and this one is called Snatch Your Edges brush. And it looks like this right here. And Jaclyn uses this to clean up her eyeshadow. And I thought that was such a cool tip. So I'm very excited to try that out. And I'm so happy that I have this brush. So this brush retails for $10. So now we're on to the eye brushes. I have here the JH30. And this one is called Beast Mode Blender Brush. And this brush looks like this right here. Wow, very soft. I love the way this feels in the hand. I don't think I've ever had this type of blender brush before. So I'm so excited to start using eyeshadow again, like create different look. This brush retails for $8. All right, so the next brush we have here is the JH31, and this is a fluffy blender brush. Looks like that. Feels very nice, very sturdy. This brush retails for $8. Okay, so now we have the JH32 Transition blender brush. This also retails for $8. This one is not as stiff. It's like pointy as well. It feels very good on the hand. Oh, love it. They feel so amazing. So there you go. All right, so now we have the JH33, and this is called the Universal Blender Brush. This is like a flat blender brush. Very soft. Not as sturdy, which is good. And this brush also retails for $8. All right, so now we're on JH34. And this one is called Carve Your Crease brush. Looks like that there. It's like a pointer brush. It's a little sturdy. Oh, wow. So excited. Again, I don't think I've ever had a brush like this. So very excited to use this. And this one also retails for $8. All right, so now we're on to JH35, and this one is called the Upper Crease brush, and it looks like this here. And this retails for $8. We are on JH36, and this one is called the Eye Buffer brush, and it looks like this. Now, if I can be completely honest, this brush looks like a craft brush. I don't know why. So this brush retails for $8 as well. Okay, next, JH37, and this is called the Buffer Blender brush. And it's this one right here. This one, soft. I like, okay, now this shape I do like. I guess it's to pack on like the outer V. I guess it's to pack that on. So yeah, this is a brush that I would definitely be using. And this brush retails for $6. Ooh, okay, so we're on JH38. And this one is called the Perfect Pencil Brush. The Perfect Pencil Brush, right here. And it's very, very sturdy. Obviously, it's for smoking out the under eye. Again, I've never had this type of pencil brush before, so I'm looking forward to using this brush. So this brush retails for $6. We are on JH39, and then it's a tiny little brush. It's so cute. And this is the inner corner highlighting brush. Cool. So it's just for the inner corner, and it's a perfect size. Awesome, I'm so excited. So cute. I love the way this looks and feels in the hand. This brush also retails for $6. Okay, so we have another blender brush here. This is the JH40, and it looks like this. It's so small. Natural haired brush. Very sturdy, very pointy. So this is the Precise Blender brush. Also retails for $6. All right, so now we have the JH41, and it looks like this here. And this one is the All Over Lid brush. And I'm pretty sure this brush is to prime your eyes with a primer or like a MAC Painterly paint pot. This brush retails for $8. All right, so we're down to the last two brushes, and I have here the JH42, and it looks like this here. And this is the Brown Bone highlighting brush. It is so cute. It's so soft, so tiny. Oh my gosh, I love it. And this brush retails for $4. Okay, last brush. And this is the JH43. And it looks like this, right? And this is the eyeliner smudge brush. I guess to tightline your bottom lashes. Very soft, very sturdy, very thin too. I don't know how I can show how thin it is. Very thin. All right, those were all the brushes, you guys. So let me show you how they all look in their little case. Look how perfect. So let's like look how it closes. Will it work? There you go. Oh my gosh. You guys, I'm so excited. Like, you don't even know. So let's open it up just because I'm so excited. And you have all your brushes. Wow. That looks so beautiful. Oh, Jaclyn, you did amazing. Like, I love you so much, Jaclyn. Thank you so much for creating this brush set. Just look at her. Just look at her. I don't think I've ever had a complete set that has everything. And the fact that it comes in a case like this is so epic. You can just literally put it on your vanity and pick out your brush and just put it back, and you see all of them. I absolutely love this. So the retail price of this is $165, I believe. And with the 10% off code JACATAC or James, whoever you want to support. So with the 10% off, it comes out to $148 plus tax. I paid about $160, so still had a good amount of savings. And I did some calculations. I just divided like 160 divided by the 24 pieces that you get. Actually, you get 25 pieces, and I got around like $6 a piece, which is very, very good. Like, the powder brushes are $24 on their own, and with this set it comes out to basically $6 a piece. So I thought that was such a great deal. And another reason why I decided to pick this up, just so I can have something complete, something that I know I'm gonna love and love to look at. Like, it's beautiful too. I want to be a little bit more minimalistic when it comes to my makeup. I used to work at Sephora, so I would get loads and loads of makeup each month, buy a lot of makeup each month. Now I've come to realize that I don't need a lot of makeup in my life. I want to be more simplistic, have one eyeliner, have one foundation, have one beauty blender, have one concealer. I just want to have one of everything that I need, and once I run out of it, I can just go pick that one thing up and not hoard makeup like I used to. I'm gonna have to get rid of all my other brushes, like Sephora brushes, e.l.f. brushes, Wet n Wild brushes, all the brushes that I've collected over the years, and I'm gonna just use this from now on just to be, again, more minimal, more simplistic with my makeup. Guys, that's it for my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions or any comments, drop them down below, and I'll see y'all next time. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you soon. Bye.